Just walking in circle to the beat is the perfect way to start your session. You can try to find relaxation here in the upper body. Bring a groovy feeling to this. For this you have to really open up with mobility practice. Better 2 times a day, in the morning and before your training. So 2 times when you train. And you want to do your trainings at least 4-5 times a week. That is the best result for your well-being and progress. But that's up to you. But try to start with just 1 time this week. So walking to the beat. Walking on the spot.
Blue lights pierce through my skin, colorblind, frozen limbs.
It's a faster tempo.
Subtle hints to what I'm missing, glitching in my double vision.
So lock in with the beat. Lock in with the beat.
If I start glamorize shallow behavior, I idolize my next door neighbor.
Jumping on the spot like this.
If I close my eyes and switch position,
Little bit to the left, to the right. Kinda like
that doesn't
trying
sound
to
like fun to me.
make an off-balance feeling. Tum, 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 tum.
That doesn't sound
You
like
can go
fun
2
to
times slower here. Like this. And then we hear the music. So paying attention to the music allows you to guide your next movements. That's why opening up the rhythmic practice, active listening is important.
That doesn't sound like fun to me.
So learning to rock with your upper body like this allows you already to, be, as long as you're in the pose, you can try to play there. But this bass, your hands can be close to you there, just moving a little bit somewhere and you're already unified. So the drills with this, all of this slowly adds up. You start cooking the stew, so that's the recipe, the 4 pillars, the rhythm, the mobility, the coordination of the moves, and then finding your flow. So that's your inner work and also active work at the same time.